Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I'm about ready to pick the two winners of the Veterans Day giveaway. So I wanted to show you guys to remind you what was in that giveaway by showing you a clip from the video here. And I have gone to the YouTube random comment picker, put in the video URL, filtered out duplicate users, excluded and backlisted myself because I don't want to be picked. I know that I left some comments. And then I clicked this, and this is something different from what I usually do in my random comment pickers. So I want to make sure you guys can see that. It says remove winner from list after draw. What that means is I'm going to draw a winner, and then once that person's a winner, then I'm going to draw a second winner, right? That just makes sure that that person isn't picked again. I know, what are the odds, but at the same time, just wanted to make sure that didn't happen. So now that I have filled in the CAPTCHA, I am going to get YouTube comments, and we'll find out how many people entered this giveaway. This was a relatively short giveaway. So we have 300 comments, which is pretty good odds for two winners, right? 1 in 150. That's pretty good odds, guys. So I am going to click this button, and it says start, and it's going to shuffle through different names of people who have commented on this video, and it's going to land on one. Now that person's going to be the first winner, so let's go. Alright, Barbara King. Great giveaway. I appreciate all our veterans. I think it looks like a cow unicorn. Very cute. Thank you. You know what? I have been thinking for the last 5 days or so about how I really should have called it a moonicorn instead of a cownicorn. And it's just been bothering me way too much. And credit goes to one of the commenters who called it a moonicorn. So Barbara King, you're the first winner. And now we need to pick that second winner. Alright? Michelle. I volunteer at the American Legion. The veterans there have so many stories to tell. Oh my goodness, I bet. There is always something going on to raise donations. Yeah, I have met some really good people there. You wouldn't believe how many amazing people veterans are. In fact, all of them. I haven't met a veteran who wasn't really amazing and had so much wisdom. So I totally agree. And anything we can do as American citizens, because this is open to the U.S., to give back to those veterans is always appreciated. And of course, as crafters, we're able to give back in some ways. So yeah, keep that in mind. So Michelle and Barbara, here's what I'm going to need for you to do. I have my email address both in the description to this video and also as a comment. It's going to be a pinned comment to this video as well. What I'm going to need for you to do is find my email address, send me an email with a mailing address where you can receive your package. And as long as you do that, like let's say you do that tonight, I'll be able to mail it out tomorrow. And I just wanted to add here at the end that I don't know who's going to get the red or the blue one. I've already packaged them up, so that's just gonna be whoever gets what, okay? So that aspect will be a surprise. Everybody else who didn't win, just know that I have a lot of giveaways that I put up. It's something I absolutely love about my channel is that I'm able to give back to the community, and it's such a joy to do. So just know, as long as you keep entering, you'll up your chances of winning one of these giveaways, and it's always really awesome to give back to the community. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.